The marketing world has evolved dramatically over time. The Mad Men era of traditional marketing is considered too old school now. Try to remember the last time you purchased an item or service. Did you actually wait for a particular commercial to pop up on TV? Did you call a salesperson to ask about their service? Nope. You probably did what most people do nowadays. You went online and you did your own research. You may not be aware of it, but you're already part of this modern revolutionary marketing process. It's a fundamental shift in the way we do business in this high-tech, super-connected world we live in today. It's called inbound marketing. It's a marketing strategy focused on attracting, educating, and empowering consumers via relevant content that actually helps and guides them until they are ready to purchase your product or service. But to understand inbound marketing, you need to understand the buyer's journey first. The buyer's journey is an active exploration or research process that a buyer goes through prior to and leading up to the actual purchase. It's made up of 3 stages: awareness, consideration, and decision. When you feel those first symptoms of a problem, also called pain points, you're in the awareness stage. You'll tend to do some high-level research to understand or identify whatever it is you need or what you're going through. Then the research bug really kicks in after this stage. You'll find that you're now researching your options, discovering various solutions, and analyzing all these simultaneously. This is called the consideration stage. Then finally, when you've Googled and racked your brains enough, you'll reach the decision stage. This is when you've ultimately decided on a solution and now you can compare vendors to make your final choice. Inbound marketing is all about creating relevant and remarkable content tailored to the audience at each stage of the buyer's journey. This means you'll be helping the buyer by understanding their problems and figuring out how your brand can truly fit their needs. This is the inbound way of building trust and brand love. Content can take many forms, such as blogs, ebooks, infographics, landing pages, white papers, and what you're watching now, video. Content within context. That's inbound marketing. Adopting an inbound marketing strategy will make a considerable impact on brand awareness, lead generation and nurturing, and cost reduction. It will also educate prospects on your product or service and speed up the sales process overall. The next videos cover more about creating and measuring inbound marketing strategies. Keep on watching, and don't forget to like or share.